Our prospective customers are initially pointed to the AMMOS website through NASA announcement of opportunity documents or through conference and meeting presentations by a representative of the Mission Interface Office under NASA's Multi-Mission Ground Systems and Services Program Office, or MGSS. Subsequently, the customer finds and explores the content of the AMMOS website from its public-facing link during the pre-Phase A mission formulation phase. The customer then downloads a copy of the AMMOS catalog from the website and reviews the offerings described to determine which AMMOS products and services are suitable for their project. The customer communicates additional information and project needs by completing and submitting web-based forms from the AMMOS website. This information, in turn, gets routed to the Mission Interface Office. These forms are intended to, first, capture basic mission information about the team, project, or mission-specific specifications, and if applicable, the Technology Assistance Agreement status. Then, second, collect information on the desired products and services using a checklist based on the entries described in the AMMOS catalog. With this provided information, a Mission Interface Office representative confirms the information provided in the forms, as well as the customer's status, to determine whether the prospective customer is a U.S. government entity, such as Pacific NASA Center, or a non-U.S. government entity, such as a commercial company or academic institution. The Mission Interface Office representative then contacts NASA subject matter experts to discuss the requests. By this time, the customer is already in the proposal development phase. In the next step, the Mission Interface Office representative contacts the customer with the initial feedback from the subject matter experts. Through an iterative process, the interactions continue between the customer and the Mission Interface Office until sufficient information is acquired to set up a focused and detailed discussion on the topics of interest to the customer. Depending on the customer's preference, either the customer contacts the Mission Interface Office or the Mission Interface Office contacts the customer in order to schedule an introductory meeting. During the introductory meeting, the customer has an opportunity to meet with appropriate AMMOS domain-level subject matter experts and ask specific technical and process-related questions. These meetings will be facilitated by the Mission Interface Office and can take the form of a teleconference call or face-to-face session as appropriate. The process flow is then finalized in subsequent steps, which includes the following. First, the MGSS Program Office produces a preliminary cost estimate for the specified AMMOS products and services. The Mission Interface Office provides this rough order of magnitude cost assessment to the customer. This will allow the customer to compare the AMMOS offerings with those from other providers. If the proposal is selected and the project moves to Phase B, then the customer, in tandem with the Mission Interface Office, identifies internal and external contributors to their proposal development effort as applicable. Project types include NASA announcement of opportunity-driven missions. Starting in Phase B, the Mission Interface Office involves NASA's Contract Office to develop and update the Service Level Agreement, which defines an official commitment between a service provider and the client. At the same time, NASA's Pricing Office refines the cost estimate for the requested products and services. Then, the NASA Contract Office, with the help of the Mission Interface Office, creates a task plan for the new external customer, which includes the final set of AMMOS products and services. These interactions do not end here. Throughout the life cycle of the project, the Mission Interface Office monitors NASA's commitments to its customers and provides the needed support and oversight every step of the way. For example, the service level agreements are revisited and, if necessary, updated prior to every key project review up to the launch.